Good morning, Matthew. This is Mr. Guzman. Unfortunately, my camera does not seem to be working today, so you will only hear my voice. Today we'll work on IEP goals number 3 and number 4. Mathematics. Objectives. Number 3. By the end of 18 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, model prompts, and word problems, dash visuals, triangles, parallelograms, square, rectangles, and trapezoids, Matthew will find the area by using the appropriate formulas at the rate of 70% accuracy as measured by work samples. Let's go on to the first activity. Area sheet number 1. To find the area of a rectangle, simply count the number of centimeter squares inside the rectangle. The area of the shape below is 15 by 3 equals 15 square centimeters. Now, you will work out the area of the following rectangles. Number 1 through number 4. On the bottom of the rectangles or squares, you will write where it says area equals, you will write the number of the area. Once you complete this activity, we will go over to goal number 4. Goal number 4, mathematics. Objective number 3. By the end of 27 weeks, you, Matthew, will define perpendicular lines and parallel lines as measured by work samples at a rate of 70% accuracy. For this activity, you will use parallel, perp, or inter to describe the lines. For example, number 1 is an intersecting line. So on the right side where it says answers, you will write 1 inter because they are intersecting lines. You will complete this activity number 2 to number 15 on your own. Upon completion, please reply to the link in the conversation box on your IEP goals. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message on the chat or contact me or one of the teachers. Thank you and have a great day.